Hello lovely people and welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, we are going to talk about how can we know if someone blocked us on Snapchat. Snapchat itself doesn't give any option to preview if someone blocked us or not. But there are some certain things we can try to know if someone blocked us or not. So let's begin with the video. First way, search for the person in your chats. To apply the first way, just simply go to your chats and click to the search button here. And after clicking to search button, just simply search the name of the person you think that blocked you. And after searching the person, if it doesn't show any option in your chats, the person most likely did block you. Second way, search for the person in your add friends list. Now other option to know if someone blocked you is to go to your add friends list. And after going there, again search for the person name here. If the person's account doesn't show up after searching the username of the person, yes, the person most likely blocked you. The third way, scroll into the messages to know if the person blocked you. Now just simply scroll into your messages and search for the old messages of the person that you think who blocked you. And if you find the message, that person didn't block you yet. And if you can't find the messages with that person, it means the person most probably blocked you. So, in this some steps, you can check if someone blocked you or not. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.